Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's snack animal, you're going to need a half a banana, 1 mandarin orange, 1 raspberry, 6 chocolate chips, 2 coconut flakes, and 15 or more blueberries. Let's get started. To make our mouse, we're going to start with the face first. We're going to need blueberries, raspberry, bananas, our chocolate chips, and our 2 coconut flakes. We're going to start with our eyes. I'm going to grab 2 blueberries. Mice are known for having little eyes, so I'll probably try and grab 2 little blueberries. Next, I'm going to grab 2 banana slices and 1 raspberry. I'm going to put my bananas next to each other and put my raspberry on the top. I'm also going to grab my bowl of chocolate chips and coconut flakes, and I'm going to dump them out here. I'm going to put my chocolate chips on my banana. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's okay if they fall over. And it's okay if your mouse looks different than my mouse, because we're all different, right? These little chocolate chips are where whiskers will grow out of our mice. And my little coconut flakes are going to be the teeth. Mice have long teeth. My next step is to grab my oranges. Now, I'm only using 4 orange slices. If you want to use more, you can. Or you can eat your oranges up. Oranges are very, very good for you. They have lots of calcium and lots of potassium. That's a fun word. Can you say potassium? Next, I'm going to put my remaining banana slices over the oranges. Can you guess what part of the mouse this is? The ears. You're right. Our last step is to use our blueberries to make our head. I'm going to dump them all out right here. Doop, doop, doop. Not only are blueberries so delicious, but they're also very, very good for you. They have things in them like antioxidants and vitamin K, vitamin C. This just means that they're very, very good for your bodies. And you should gobble up as many blueberries as you can. Of course, if an adult says that's okay. I'm gonna arrange my blueberries here. You may have more blueberries than me. That's fine. Eat them up if you'd like, or just see if you can squeeze them around. How's your mouse looking? Is he adorable? I think mice are just the sweetest little creatures. You can change your teeth up and put them closer or farther apart. Give them a little gap tooth. You can even move the eyes and put them closer or farther apart. It's so fun playing with our healthy, nutritious food. And that's kind of the best part, is that it is healthy and it is nutritious. Thanks for making a mouse with us today. We hope you had so much fun. We sure did. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right, and to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, click subscribe and ring that bell for more Snack Animal videos. Bye!